Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about Databox as the source of passive income that you can be able to use by doing affiliate marketing and be able to make money online. Across checking on the Databox platform as business intelligence and analytics software, which involves various tools that can be used by small to uh, big businesses as solutions to data reporting, data management, and even decision making. Able to make 3,700 per year per referral you made. Money online. As you can see, they have different products and they have different subscriptions plans which can be able to get purchased by monthly or annually based on what you decide. Let's check, for instance, if you click on the plans for agencies, you can go to the get started, which agency starts where you have to purchase this one for 79 USD per month. The pro plan, the gross and premium package, which is around 799 USD per month. And I'm not gonna be spending much time on this one. What I'm gonna do is to come across to these parts, and also I have to come below and see the data sources included in each package that you're gonna be purchasing as an agency. And you can see historical data which is limited to some of the packages, and you go to normal detections, anomaly detections, dashboard and reports. Here you can see the unlimited custom metrics. Also, the unlimited depends on the package you have purchased. You can see there are even different add-ons you can be deciding, depends on what you're gonna be also choosing. And the good thing is that they even have a free trial that you can be coming and create an account as agents free trial. And also upon signing up, you have a free trial account which you can be able to try it for free without even entering the cart or any other thing. So what you do is to first of all try it and understand how the tools works and also be able to use it. Anyway, this will be easy for you if you're gonna be doing affiliate marketing, because you're gonna be allowing the individuals to be able to create account by starting with a free trial, understanding how the tools work, and also after understanding how they works, they can be able to decide going on the pro packages or any other plan that is possible. So with this affiliate marketing, you can now be able to make, as you can see, you can be able to make 3,700 per year per referral you made. And you can, if you're gonna be coming here below and understand how this works, you can even Databox operates on average. If you have 30 customers per month, you can even be able to make such amount of money. And also if you come here and try, for instance, 30 customers times 20 percentage of commission from USD 350 subscription, which is equal to 25,200 per year, which is a result. And this result may vary, depends on the number of customers sold and even the subscription cost. Some subscription costs, as we have found, they are smaller and others are big ones. And also if you're gonna of course be buying or be purchasing a smaller account as your customers, so you'll be of course earning accordingly based on the account that person has purchased. Now let's try to understand how this works. Of course, you can see you can have to read more about the terms and conditions that you have to understand, the definitions, affiliate rates, affiliate links, and the other information that you need to be knowing. They are all here. And also you can come receive our business marketing practices, which are also limited. And also what you need to know, so of course you need to understand how this works and across the API documentations. And if you because some enterprises will be also wanting to purchase the account while even wanting to integrate it with the of course the API tools and also the systems. And this will help you to explain it well to the customers or to the clients you want to refer to this platform, to come and use their tools in their marketing strategy or their data management and reporting status. So as you can see, if you come and click here, it depends on the language you're using. They give you all the things that you need. And if you come back to this session and you go to the products, there are various products they can be able to use, and you can see they have dashboards, which you can see try free. It all depends on which one you're gonna be selecting. They have integrations. Let's see, they have integrations. If you want to be integrating with, of course, HubSpot marketing, HubSpot CRM, Google Ads, Shopify, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads, Stripe, Postgre. You can see they have different tools or different solutions that you can be even able to integrate with your system. And also they have now, if you go to AI, they have now these tools right for free, AI powered analytics that answer back. That AI box works directly with the metrics your business already tracks, helping your team ask questions and cover insight. And so if we go to solutions as well, you can see they have CIS and agencies, consultant, functional readers, executive, business analytics, and also they have different problems they solve. Centralized preparing and visualizing the data from your integrations or from your businesses, functionality or reportings, even operations. Each and everything is here, and what you need to do, you need to come and try it for free, and also influence your referral to first of all try these tools to be able to make such amount of money. So what I now, let's see if we go to the affiliate marketing and into creating an account as our focus of today. So if I'm coming here, I create an affiliate program, and if I need to become an affiliate, what I do of course is to click become an affiliate. And after clicking on become an affiliate, of course it's going to be directing me to my home section because I already have an account. That's where it takes me. This is in my new created account, and what you do, you can see that it is going to be showing me that I have to, of course, select the account I have to integrate it to. If I have to also, of course, I have to add my email address, which is my payout method, and so there's a commissions, there is referrals, reports, everything will be here, depends on also, of course, your performance. This is my new account created, and also if you want to create another one, that is the same processes I did. You, of course, you have to create a become an affiliate, and also once you click there, you can be getting started direct to the dashboard and to the data. And also let me show you the information that you have to ask you, of course, that gonna be helping you to understand which one you have to be using. And for instance, let's check affiliate. So I have to click here, and if you try to click on this section, of course I click on become an affiliate, it is gonna be opening this form which I have to fill out my data. And after filling my data, this is my name, last name, email addresses, password, there is company if you have it. If you don't have it, no issue. Then there is URL of the account, how you promote the products, website. If it is on YouTube channel, you have to, of course, use for YouTube, then primary promotion channel that you will be using, and the audience reach that you're planning to be reaching out per month is also important to understand what you're gonna be doing. And also there's terms and conditions that you have to click here and read out. Once you read these ones, and you have to click on accept, and once you accept, you have to sign up. You are gonna be immediately getting direct to the platform where you can be getting started earning 20% commission for each referral you have made. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, but leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when I upload new video here at Max TV.